चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। এই মত শ্রী চৈতন্য কৃষ্ণ পূর্ণ ভগবান যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তন নাহি তার কাম। কোন কারণে যাবে হইল অবতারে মন, যুগ ধর্ম কাল হইল সে কালে মিলন। When Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in this world, he has desired, he wants to taste Radhika's mood, Rasa Nirjas. How is Radhika? In this way he desired, okay, I will give him this devotion love, your prem bhakti. In this world they can understand how is prem bhakti. Otherwise, when he wants to come at that time, already Yug Dharma, every yuga have time. One incarnation come in and give him instructions. In the Kali Yuga only Harinam Sankirtan. In this way that time already came, so everything mixed. First Rasanijas Aswada. Rasanijas Aswada. Sri Krishna tasting this Rasanijas. Other way, give him Harinam Sankirtan. In this way, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came with all devotees, tasting prem and doing Nam Sankirtan. Seidari Achandale Kirtan Satyale. Achandal for everyone. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached Harinam Sankirtan. Everyone chant Harinam and taste this pure devotion, love, praise. এই মতো ভক্ত ভাব করি অঙ্গীকার, আপন আচরি ভক্তি করিল প্রচার। Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, he took bhakta bhav. কিছু বলছেন নাকি? He took bhakta bhav. Same way he tasted devotee's mood, devotee's life. In this way, Swam, he manifests rule, regulation, Vaishnava Sadachar. In this way, preach everywhere. Dasya Sakha Vatsala Ajya Singar Chari Prem Chaturvida Bhaktai Adhar. 4 types of bhakti. Dasaras, Sakharas, Vatsala and Singar. 4 types of devotees, they have this mood. In this way, everyone thinking, my love is the most. My bhakti is topmost. I am following Dasya mood, this is great. Same way, friendship mood, they are thinking, oh, I am great. Parental mood, their mood is at topmost. Singer's mood, oh, this is topmost. Everyone thinking, oh, my mood, my seva is better. I am serving Sri Krishna. Oh, Sri Krishna become happy. His happiness is our happiness. When by the neutral mood, thinking, oh, what is the topmost? What is great? They are topmost Sringaras. Brajagopi's mood is topmost. Sringaras is topmost. Atai madhuras kahitaranam Shakya Parakiya Rupi Divida Samsthan. This is called Madhuras, sweetness mood. Two types this Madhuras. One is Shakya Adhar Parakiya. Shakya going marriage life, other is automatic. Each other have love and affection. This is called Parakiya. Parakiya bhavayati rasira yullas braja vinaya annatra nahi vas. Before I spoke, Parakiya four qualities. These qualities cannot find in Shakya mood. Automatically sizes. And very rare to find Sri Krishna. Other way, strictly prohibited. And hidden bhav. In this way, Parakiya bhav, this mood only Brajagopis. In Brajagopi, cannot see any other place. Because everyone they are going marriage life, living with family. Brajapatu bhav niravadhi, tar madhye siradhar bhaver yavadhi. Brajagopi, this mood. They are at topmost Vrishabhanunandini Radhika's mood. Praudha nirmal bha prem sarvottam Krishnir madhurya rasa swadakaran. Praudha nirmal bhav. Praudha means very strong, very powerful. Nirmal bhav. Knowing any fault, knowing anything else. No cause is nothing. Topmost great. Sri Krishna testing this Madhurya rasa. Ataiv sei bhav angikar kari sadhile nija vancha Gauranga Sri Hari. In this way, Sri Krishna took Radhika's mood 3 times. How is Radhika's mood? How much bhav? Other way, how Sri Krishna become happy? In Brajagopi mood, Sri Krishna is attracted mood. In this way, Gauranga Mahaprabhu fulfill his desire.
他满足了是一个什么内在？
भाव ग्रहणेर हेतु करिल धर्म स्थापन तार मुख्य हेतु कही सुन सर्वजन. He wants to take this move.
他想要给予这种气势，
In this way, he is saying here
所以这里讲到
one slope, one verse.
第十节，
Before spoke something shadow.
之前的话只是讲一些
What is this move?
都影子，这个
Now
影子现在
manifest.
呈现
Sloka's meaning.
呈现了这个世界的含义内在。
What is this slope?
这个世界是什么呢？
Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti Hladini Shakti Rasma Dekatmana Bhuvi Pura Deha Bhedam Gatau Tau चैतन्नाखं प्रकट मधुना त्वद्वयं चैकमाप्तम् राधा भावद्युते सुबलितं नौमि कृष्णस्वरूपम् राधा भावद्युते सुबलितं नौमि कृष्णस्वरूपम्. राधा कृष्ण दोहे राधा कृष्ण एक आत्मा दुई देह धरी अनन्य विलासे रस आस्वादन करी. राधा कृष्ण प्रणय विकृति. Who is Radha? Sri Krishna pure brain. Pranaya vikriti. Then more wonderful things. Prem, Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Adhiruda, Chitra Jalpa, Samjalpa, Ajalpa, Vijalpa, Bijalpa, etc. Mohan, Modan, Madan, Prem Vivartan. Then Rasaraj and Mahabhav coming together, combined form is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So here, Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti. Three Madanakha Mahabhav. Otherwise, Hladini Shakti, giving pleasures, happiness to Sri Krishna, and giving happiness to all devotees. Before they are both are one. That one is separate both Radha and Krishna. Both are one is both. Pura previous time, Deha Vedam Gato. They are playing testing. They are moving. Again, they become together. They are coming one form. Chaitanya is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Twadvayam, both coming together, both is one. Radha Bhavaduti. See, Radhika's bhav and his effulgence. Radhika's effulgence, Kanti. In this way, Suvalita Tanu, Gaur Hari, one form, Navami Krishna Swarupam, we have pranam to Sri Krishna. Radha Krishna Yegatma Duideya Dhari, Annanya Vilasera Saswadana Kari. Both are Ek Atma, one soul. But two bodies. In this way, each other playing together. Why? Because taste is rasa. Say Dui Eke Chaitanya Gosai. Both are coming one. Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bhava Swadite Duhe Kaila Ekathai. Both are testing this bhav. Iti lagi age kari tar vivara javaite hoye gauri mahima katha. In this way, we are speaking these things so we can understand how is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Radhika Vayan Krishna Pranaya Vikar Sarup Shakti Hladini Nam Jar. Who is Radhika? Krishna Vancha Purti Rup Kare Aradhane Otay Radhika Nam Purane Vekhane. So Radharani always serve him to Sri Krishna and give him pleasure, happiness to Sri Krishna. In this way, Radharani is Pranayavika. And Sri Krishna's eternal energy, Sarup Shakti, Hladini. Krishna ke hallade tate naam hladini. Give him all happiness, pleasure to everyone. Hladini karai Krishna anandaya swadam. Hladini Sri Radha, give him happiness to Sri Krishna. Hladini dwara kare bhaktira pusam. By the Hladini, Sri Krishna always give him happiness to devotees. Satchidananda Purna Krishna Sarup Eki Chit Sakti Tar Dhareti Narup. Satchidananda Sri Krishna. Sat, Chit and Ananda. Sat Satta eternity. Chit knowledge. Happiness, full Ananda, full happiness. In this way, Sri Krishna, Satchidananda Vikram. This Chit Sakti is Hladini Sri Radha. Three forms. This Chit Sakti is Hladini Sakti, Ananda Sri Hladini.